Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. In this video, we'll show you how to safely lift the front and back of your Toyota Camry using standard lifting tools. You will simply need a jack, a pair of jack stands. Your Toyota Camry must be on level, smooth ground. You must be on the ground where your car will be balanced, where the jack stands cannot slip, and especially where your jack can accompany the movement of the car at the same time as it lifts it. First of all, if the operation requires removing the wheels, start by loosening the wheel nuts before lifting the vehicle. For front lifting, insert the jack under the vehicle at door level and rest on the lifting point, which is a solid base for lifting, and then securing your vehicle in complete safety. You can place the jack stand under a robust part of the chassis, such as the control arm rear bushing retaining screw. Then slowly lower your vehicle until it is stable on the jack stand. You can now remove the wheel if needed. For safety, slip it under the vehicle as additional protection. If you need to lift both sides of your Camry, repeat the steps for the other side. To put your Camry back on the ground, start by putting the wheel back on the wheel hub if necessary, and retighten the nuts as they make contact. Reposition the jack. And lift your Camry until you can remove the jack stand. Then gently lower your vehicle to the ground. Finalize the tightening of the wheel if necessary.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work.
To lift the rear of your Toyota Camry, you can place the jack under the rear subframe so that both sides can be lifted simultaneously. You can place the jack stand under the rear support points. Then slowly lower your vehicle until it is stable on the jack stand. To lower the back of your Camry to the ground, reposition the jack and raise your Camry until you can remove the jack stand. Then gently lower your vehicle to the ground. You can now safely perform many of the operations on your Camry. Operation complete.